Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Smart 4 Home, the go-to place for all your tech-related queries. Today, we've got a quick and handy tutorial for all you LG TV owners out there. Ever found yourself in a situation where you can't locate the remote or the physical buttons on your TV? Fret not, because in this video, we'll show you how to turn on your LG TV without using any buttons. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your LG TV is in standby mode. This is the default state when the TV is plugged in but turned off. Now, pay attention to this neat trick. If you have the LG Magic Remote, you can use gestures to turn on your TV. Simply make a pointing gesture towards the screen, and your TV should spring to life. If you don't have the Magic Remote, don't worry. Many LG TVs also come with a feature called LG ThinQ AI. This allows you to use voice commands to control your TV. Grab your standard remote, press and hold the microphone button, and say, "Turn on the TV." If your TV supports this feature, it should respond by powering up. But what if you're in a situation where neither the Magic Remote nor the standard remote is available? Well, here's a workaround. Most LG TVs have a feature called SIMPLINK or HDMI-CEC. This allows your TV to communicate with other devices connected via HDMI. If you have a device connected to one of the HDMI ports that supports HDMI-CEC, turning on that device can automatically turn on your TV. To enable this feature, head over to your TV settings, look for SIMPLINK or HDMI-CEC, and make sure it's turned on. You might find it under the General or Connection settings. And there you have it, a few handy ways to turn on your LG TV without reaching for those physical buttons. Whether you have the Magic Remote, a standard remote with voice control, or leverage HDMI-CEC, there's always a solution at your fingertips. Conclusion. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay tech savvy.